So you guys have all heard about this cryptocurrency called Dogecoin. So it is fairly new to the cryptocurrency game, and why people are freaking out about it is right here. If you guys want to see it a little bit better, let's pop up this recording right here. Give it a second to pop up there. Alrighty, so you can see on the chart right here, right, it has been chilling at about 5, maybe like on a good day like 8 cents. That's pretty much the highest it's been ever. So it's been chilling at about 8 cents, maybe not 8 cents. It's been chilling at about 5 cents, maybe 4 cents, depending on the day, maybe 6 as well. And yesterday what happened is it shot all the way up to the highest of 37, about 38 cents, around that point. And if we go to all, it has pretty much, it was about nothing, 0.002 of a cent. So it's about like two tenths of a penny. And then it goes up to 1 cent, about right. It goes up from about 0.009 all the way up to about, it went up to 5 cents and then 3 cents, and then it kind of just, it's been going crazy. In the past day, it has been as high up as 32 cents and as low as 24 cents. People are freaking out because at the beginning of the year, if you had bet $1,000 on Dogecoin and you put $1,000 into Dogecoin, as of yesterday, that $1,000 could have bought a brand new Tesla, about 40 grand. So that gives you kind of an idea of why people are going absolutely insane, because that was when it was at 5 to 6 cents. If you invested in it when it was pretty much nothing, 0.002, if you put 50 bucks in there, I mean, you'd be able to buy a Tesla as well. So, people are kind of just going nuts over the fact that Dogecoin is going crazy. There are a few more cryptocurrencies that have been going absolutely nuts lately. We have Bitcoin breaking about 62,000 this morning, I believe. Let me check it just to make sure. In this past week, Bitcoin has hit the highest amount ever recorded at $64,533, and now it is currently chilling at about $59,430. So it's super high, but the one that people are talking about as well is called Bitcoin Cash. It is not actually Bitcoin. Put this into perspective, if we go to the yearly chart, right when I invested on I think it was December 18th, 19th, it was chilling at about $317. Right now it is chilling at a whopping $972, which has pretty much tripled my investment. I only put like $3 in there, so the $3 has turned into about $10. So that's pretty cool. We also have Ethereum. I think that's how you say it. If it's not, well, that sucks. So in the past 6 months, it has pretty much slowly been going up the exact same way. In December, on about the 18th, 19th, it was at about $650. Right now, it is chilling at about $2,300. So again, I have made a good profit on that. I only invested like $1, so it's only like $4. So overall, Dogecoin is going absolutely nuts. It went up 400% yesterday, which is that is just crazy. Even though it only went from like 6 cents to 30 cents, the gap in between that is absolutely insane. That is pretty much just like 400% in Apple. Imagine if Apple went up 400%. If you had like a few shares, you'd be able to buy probably a car as well. In my personal opinion, since Dogecoin was technically created as a joke, and it's not really anything like, super serious like Bitcoin or like Ethereum or anything like that, I think that investing in it now, I mean, it's only 34 cents. You could spend $10 and get a couple shares, but I still feel that investing in it might not be the best idea, just because, I mean, it could just totally drop off the face of the planet, and you'll only lose like a couple cents, even if it goes back down to like 4 cents or 3 cents. You're only going to lose 30 cents a share, which technically is not a lot, but when you look at it as a percentage, that is a ton of money. So I feel that, yes, it is going crazy, but if you haven't already invested in it, you might be gone. You might have missed it. You kind of just have to catch those ones early. You kind of have to be keeping updated on those. And yeah, I will be having an update video on, all the cryptocurrencies and on any of the new ones that you should watch out for and that you should possibly invest in. So yeah, I hope that was kind of a, I hope that that information on Dogecoin was kind of helpful. You know, kind of just like a cryptocurrency update for the day. Yeah, I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, adios, homies.